Alright, this video is to show you guys a really simple trick on how to make sure you are tracking your clicks in Mailchimp campaigns correctly. So if you take a look on the page that I'm on, I have my campaign is drafted, name, I've got my to field right here, from, subject is already here, all of my content is already done. So I'm scrolling down now to settings and tracking. So this is a page that you land on as you're getting ready to send. And so basically I want to click right here. I click edit to expand this menu. One thing I want to make sure is that I'm tracking plain text clicks. I want to click e-commerce link tracking, and I want to make sure that my Google Analytics is tracking this as well. And now I'm feeling good, so I just save it. And then right now it's 12:31, so I'm going to schedule it because I'm never going to send something during lunch. And 1:45 p.m. today sounds good. So there we go. And now we're tracking our clicks correctly. Rock on.